Hello everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Arthur, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about
Automotive center consoles.
After watching this video, if you found information here helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Assemble the center console organizer inside your pickup truck's center console. Start by inserting the two long pieces with the slots facing up and the longest section facing forward. Bending slightly, carefully insert the short pieces one at a time. Align the slots on the long pieces with the short ones. Push each piece to the bottom of the console to straighten. For a perfect fit, square the ends of each piece with the console walls. This high-quality American-made product by Base Layer will help you stay organized for years to come.
So I have this center console cover I'm going to install in my truck today. This console cover, it doesn't work with the middle seats that have the workspace or the ones with bucket seats. So mine does not have either, so it should fit right onto here. What this is going to do is it's waterproof. It's going to protect this leather cover from getting scratched up and getting worn just over the years with kids, animals, stuff getting set up here. This tends to get scratched up, doesn't stay as nice. So this is going to cover it, help keep it nice and looking good. So it's super simple to install. You just slip it right over. It's got these elastic straps on the bottom to hold it nice and snug. So we'll put it on right now.
Guys, I recently received a package from Ed Beddoes, and it's a center organizer tray, so let's check it out. Here's what's in the box. It includes a thank you note from Ed Beddoes. Thank you for sending me this. And here's the center organizer tray. So as you can tell, it's made out of some sturdy plastic. It comes with these rubber mats, so make sure anything doesn't rattle around. The install is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just open your center organizer tray and then just plop it in here. It goes like this. You can put it here, however you like it. So it gives easy access to these ports right here, and a good way to organize all your things. You can easily put things inside and organize your things with the tray. It doesn't rattle around when you're driving, so it's nice and sturdy. You can easily put in items in here, so you can easily access them when you open your center console. It has a really convenient coin holder to put coins. See many pockets, and has a slip mat, so nothing will rattle around when you're driving. As I already said. It has a cool sunglass holder right here. One of my favorite features is the coin holder. I said already. But here has a cool spot to put your cards and things, business cards. This is a very high quality and great product. I would 100% recommend this. Thank you to Ed Beddoes. Here's what's in the box. It includes a thank you note. It comes with these rubber mats, so make sure anything doesn't rattle around. Open your center organizer tray and then just plop it in here. You can put it here, however you like it. So it gives easy access to these ports right here, and a good way to organize all your things. You can easily put in, so you can easily see many pockets, and has a knot around when you're driving. One of my favorite features is the coin holder. I said already. Thank you to Ed Beddoes for
You've been driving all day, and boy, your arms are tired. Don't worry, our super soft armrest cushion and protector is just what the doctor ordered. Crafted right here in the US of A and made of Ultra Luxe Neo Supreme, this console cover is non-slip and provides a comfortable, supportive resting spot for your elbows. It is water resistant to prevent stains from spills and is a great way to protect a new console from dirt and fingerprints. Installation is a cinch. Just slip the cover over your armrest and enjoy a more relaxed, natural driving position. Once you realize how incredible your new covers are, you're going to want to upgrade the rest of your interior. Our protectors are offered in your choice of both Neo Supreme fabric and faux leather. Choose from an array of colors and patterns and inject both style and comfort into your ride.